Alright guys, we're set up here behind the SLK. We're going to do a cold start. This is about a 24-hour cold start since I parked it here yesterday evening at the same time. So here we go. I actually started jacking the rear of the car up because mainly what I sell are these Boxers and 911s. Obviously the rear engine. So we got a new rear subframe on there. Can't see it through here. Yeah, I was doing my pictures. There's the exhaust, everything good there. And so the car did spend some time up north, and there's, what I would say is nominal corrosion on bolt heads or whatnot. And I was looking up at the rear subframe. Man, that thing was right on the joint. Right, it's hard to see because I got the front of the car, but right, I think I'm on it. Anyway, so it was under the extended warranty, so I took it over to my dealer. So we got a brand new rear subframe in there. And then they also did, they had to align it, obviously, all new bolts, all that good stuff. And it was under warranty, so it didn't cost me anything. Because I was not looking forward to doing that job. I actually just called Mercedes-Benz 1-800, gave them the VIN, and they were like, yeah, it's covered. I didn't have an appointment, so it took about, I think about 2 or 3 weeks, but I wasn't complaining. They did a good job. So I have the cover off here, obviously. I see the front of the motor. Alright, let's go underneath. There are the under trays. So there's some, you can see the corrosion on the bolt heads. Nothing I would get excited about, but it is there. So, in the interest of full disclosure, no bottom end noise. Rear main seal area is bone dry. Then I had, we got new tires on it, new brakes. The shop I used basically said the oil was good, didn't need to be changed. And we got 2 keys and the top works perfectly. So there's my M3 competition manual that's coming soon when I get tired of driving it, which may be never. That car is awesome. I've had more neighbors stop and talk to me about that car than any of the Porsches or Mercedes or anything that comes through here. Alright, that should do it. I'm going to put the trays back on, and I'll be doing my gallery in the morning, and we will get this one on the block. If you have questions, please let me know. Thank you.